Introducing the 2024 Honda Accord 2.0e HEV RS Black, a sophisticated blend of style, performance, and eco-conscious engineering. Priced at 1,799,000 Thai Baht, this sedan exemplifies Honda's commitment to redefining the driving experience by combining cutting-edge hybrid technology with a bold and elegant design. Under the hood, the Accord 2.0e HEV RS boasts a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, blending a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor. This dynamic duo not only delivers robust performance but also ensures optimal fuel efficiency, marking Honda's strides towards a more sustainable driving future. The HEV technology is seamlessly integrated, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. The exterior of the Accord 2.0e HEV RS Black exudes a sense of sophistication and sportiness. Dressed in a sleek black finish, the sedan's aerodynamic design, combined with stylish RS accents, creates a visually striking presence on the road. From the bold front grille to the distinctive LED headlights, every detail contributes to the Accord's commanding and premium aesthetic. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a harmonious blend of comfort, technology, and modern design. The Accord's interior is meticulously crafted, offering a spacious and luxurious environment for both driver and passengers. Premium materials, stylish trims, and advanced features create an ambiance that reflects Honda's commitment to elevating the driving experience. Technological innovation takes center stage in the Accord 2.0e HEV RS. The sedan features an advanced infotainment system, complete with a user-friendly touchscreen, smartphone integration, and a host of smart functionalities. Connectivity options ensure that you stay seamlessly linked to both your digital world and the road. Safety is a paramount consideration for Honda, and the Accord 2.0e HEV RS is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. From adaptive cruise control to collision mitigation systems, Honda prioritizes the well-being of both the driver and passengers, enhancing overall driving confidence. Priced at 1,799,000 Thai Baht, the 2024 Honda Accord 2.0e HEV RS Black not only represents an investment in a stylish and performance-driven sedan but also reflects Honda's commitment to offering cutting-edge technology at an accessible price point. The Accord 2.0e HEV RS Black is a symbol of Honda's vision for a future where efficiency, style, and sustainability seamlessly converge on the open road. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda Accord 2.0e HEV RS Black is more than just a sedan. It's an embodiment of Honda's dedication to setting new standards in the automotive industry. With its hybrid prowess, distinctive design, and advanced features, the Accord 2.0e HEV RS Black invites drivers to embark on a journey where every drive is a celebration of performance, style, and environmental responsibility.